Good evening. Welcome to Business Studies and Accounting Made Simple. This is a platform that has been established to share the fundamentals of bookkeeping and accounting. First thing first, what is bookkeeping? Bookkeeping may be defined as the art of recording business transactions in a systematic and logical manner in the books of accounts. Bookkeeping is the foundation of accounting. Without bookkeeping, you can't proceed to accounting. Now, from the above definition of bookkeeping, we can observe the following. 1. Business transactions. 2. Systematic or logical, meaning from the word system. 3. Books of accounts. Now, what is accounting? Accounting may be defined as the process of identifying, measuring, and communicating financial information to permit judgments and decisions by users of that information. What is a business transaction? A business transaction may be defined as an event that involves the exchange of goods, money, services, or money's worth between two or more parties. Take note that this exchange is not always fulfilled at one particular moment by all the parties involved. It may therefore involve some promises to fulfill the part of the exchange at a later date. Types of business transactions. We'll look at the 4 types of business transactions, and this includes 1. Cash transaction, where payment by banknotes and coins is done immediately. 2. Bank transaction, where payment is done using the banking system, and this includes mobile phone transactions. 3. Credit transactions is where payment is promised to be made at a later date. And 4. Barter transaction, where items of goods or services are exchanged for items for goods and or services. Now, the system applied in bookkeeping is known as the double entry system. We shall see in the next lesson why the system is called the double entry system. Now, there are several books of accounts used in bookkeeping and accounting as follows. 1. Cash book. 2. Petty cash book. 3. Sales day book, also known as sales journal. 4. Purchases day book, also known as purchases journal. 5. Sales returns day book, also known as sales returns journal or returns inwards journal. 6. Purchases returns day book, also known as returns outwards journal. 7. The general journal, and 8. The ledger. Now, the first 7 books of accounts listed above are referred to as books of prime entry, while the 8th one is the main book of accounts. Today, to conclude this lesson, we have looked at what bookkeeping is and what accounting is. We have identified the various books used in bookkeeping and accounting. Now, in the next lesson, we are going to see or look at the application of the double entry system in bookkeeping and accounting. Until next time, goodbye. Thank you.